Status.
Bodyguard.
Commander.
Rico.
Mission.
Mission. We're going to war.
Welcome to the Toys of War, a concise review of some of the modern trends in military research, military hardware, and the latest developments in military industry.
The Inspector 125 program was born from the growing need for advanced maritime mine countermeasures in littoral zones and congested waters. Developed by Exail, formerly ECA Group, it reflects Europe's shift toward unmanned naval operations, allowing nations like Belgium to project power and secure waters without risking crewed vessels in hazardous areas. Designed for modularity, the Inspector 125 USV features a proven hull shell for enhanced stability and payload flexibility. Its open mission bay can be configured for mine warfare, hydrography, intelligence gathering, or anti-submarine roles. Its structure is built to accommodate towed sonar, launch and recovery systems for remotely operated vehicles, and an array of electronic warfare tools. The platform is equipped with onboard AI, enabling semi- and fully autonomous mission execution. The craft can navigate, detect, classify, and neutralize threats with minimal human input, operating independently or in concert with other naval assets. Remote supervision is maintained from a mothership or shore command post, miles away from any threat zone. The demining process begins with sonar reconnaissance via a towed system or an aerial drone launched from the USV. Once a mine-like object is found, it's visually confirmed by a C-scan ROV. For neutralization, the Inspector 125 deploys a K-STIR-C, an expendable mine killer that detonates near the target. All manned platforms remain at a safe distance throughout. Belgium, alongside the Royal Netherlands Navy, is set to field these systems under a joint procurement program. Deliveries began in 2023 with full operational capability targeted for 2025. A total of 17 USVs are expected to be integrated into the mine countermeasure fleets, redefining how future navies secure coastal zones and strategic choke points. The OA-1K Skyraider 2 is a militarized adaptation of the air tractor at 802, originally designed for agricultural and firefighting roles. Developed jointly by Air Tractor and L3 Harris, this transformation was part of the U.S. Special Operations Command's Armed Overwatch program. The goal was to create a cost-effective, versatile aircraft capable of performing intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and close air support missions in low-threat environments. Designed for operations in areas with minimal anti-aircraft threats, the OA-1K is optimized for missions where advanced enemy air defenses are absent. Its capabilities are particularly suited for counterinsurgency operations, providing persistent ISR and close air support to special operations forces. The aircraft's ability to operate from austere and unconventional runways enhances its deployment flexibility. The OA-1K features a rugged airframe with a composite ballistic armored cockpit and engine compartment. It is equipped with 10 hardpoints capable of carrying a variety of weapons and ISR equipment. The aircraft can be disassembled in under 6 hours for transport inside a C-17 Globemaster, facilitating rapid global deployment. Initially, the U.S. Special Operations Command planned to procure 75 OA-1K aircraft under a $3 billion contract. However, following a Government Accountability Office review, the procurement target was reduced to 62 aircraft. The first mission-ready OA-1K was delivered to the Air Force Special Operations Command in April 2025, with full fleet delivery expected by 2029. Saab's lightweight TP-47 torpedo was developed to counter both surface warships and submarines in complex littoral zones. Designed for versatility, it performs in Baltic-like environments where shallow depths, variable seabeds, and high acoustic clutter degrade conventional torpedoes. With a strike range exceeding 20 kilometers, the TP-47 fills the gap between heavyweight submarine torpedoes and ship-launched close-range weapons. Optimized for anti-submarine warfare, the TP-47 uses both active and passive sonar to track diesel-electric subs hiding in thermally layered, noisy terrain. An AI-guided processor filters environmental clutter and prioritizes valid targets. Real-time wire guidance enables operators to adjust in flight, but autonomy allows the torpedo to re-engage if the target attempts evasion in rugged seabed conditions. In April 2025, Sweden test-fired the TP-47 from a CB-90 combat boat. This platform shift demonstrated that the torpedo can be integrated with agile surface vessels, expanding its tactical use. The trial also confirmed reliability during fast-response missions near archipelagos, giving the Swedish Navy a cost-effective tool for rapid deployment in contested coastal waters. Saab and Sweden's Defense Materiel Administration expanded the torpedo's deployment strategy to include various launch platforms. Using fast attack boats as carriers allows greater operational reach and flexibility. Backed by a new $134 million contract, Saab will scale up production, enabling the Navy to maintain readiness against a broader range of maritime threats. Japan's Type 20 assault rifle was developed to replace the aging Type 89, which had served the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force since 1989. Modern combat demands and the need for compatibility with Allied systems drove the shift. The new rifle had to offer enhanced modularity, durability in diverse environments, and improved handling for the next generation of Japanese troops. The Type 20 was developed by Japan's indigenous firearms manufacturer, Howa, known for its precision rifles and military small arms. The rifle is chambered in 5.56 by 45 mm NATO, has full ambidextrous controls, and includes a monolithic upper receiver with integrated Picatinny rails. It features a short-stroke gas piston system and is designed for both conventional and amphibious operations. Corrosion resistance was a core design priority. The Type 20 features Cerakote ceramic coatings on key metal surfaces, offering high resistance to abrasion, saltwater, and humidity. Anodizing is used on aluminum parts to prevent oxidation, while hydrophobic surface treatments further shield the rifle against moisture accumulation and rust. The rifle's action and firing mechanism are engineered to limit ingress of water, sand, and salt. Precision sealing, self-draining design elements, and tightly controlled tolerances prevent fouling and corrosion under amphibious or coastal operation conditions, making it a major improvement over the Type 89 for Japan's maritime defense needs. The Japanese Ministry of Defense allocated approximately $23.3 million to purchase 8,577 Type 20 rifles, with deliveries launched in 2024 and to continue in 2025. This rollout marks the start of a gradual phasing out of the Type 89, part of a wider initiative to modernize Japan's ground forces with better adapted, NATO-compatible equipment.
If you find information in this video interesting, please like and subscribe.